Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Haverty's Furniture. Oh yes guys, we're trying a new thing here. So hey, come along with me and let me show you what they have. Okay, this beautiful pillow top sofa here is actually a sectional. It is called the Madison U-shaped sectional for $3,000. It was $4,899. Yeah, this is really nice here, guys. Oh my goodness, it is so soft and it's firm, but it's soft. So beautiful. Oh yes, nice tossed pillows. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh, yes. Woo! And this two-piece set here, this ottoman is $850. And this little side chair here is $700. Love this. Oh, yes. That coffee table is $800. Wow. Here at Havertys. Alrighty guys, did you all know that they have these beautiful chandeliers here? Oh my goodness, these are really nice. So this one, it has 3 lights and this one is $790. Okay, this one is $440. This beauty here, I love the lights on this one. Well, these are bulbs. These are just like glass decorative pieces, but they have 3 real lights. So this one is $620. Isn't that cute? This clear one is $380. And this one here, oh my word, how beautiful is this one? Ooh-wee. Let's see. This one is $900. And that one down there is $870. Really nice, guys. Here at Havertys. And what I like about their furniture, guys, you can choose your own pattern, your own material, your own fabric for your sofas. So that's good to know. Alrighty, so this sectional here is called the Laney. It is $2,800. Nice tossed pillows. Ooh, look at this entertainment set here. This is nice. It's $4,200. Isn't this lovely? Ah, love this. Nice spacious area for your TV. Glass doors here. Nice. Ooh, look at this. They even have the lights in there. Oh, you're talking about fancy here. They also have the end tables to match. The end tables are $500. Okay. Nice legs down there. Ooh, Haverty's tag on the inside. Oh, yes. And the coffee table. It is $750. Gorgeous. Okay. Someone asked me about white furniture, white sofas. So let's see if we can find some bright colors. So this is one, it's called the Allison. It is $1,300. Really nice high pillows. 86-inch sofa is $1,300. You can get a queen sleeper for $1,700. Accent chair here for $1,000. Allison. This white sofa is absolutely gorgeous. It is called the Audrey. It is $2,300. And those pillows are just gorgeous. Woo! Isn't it nice? Deep wide pillows, guys, at the bottom and the top. They also have this chair here. It is $1,700. It matches that sofa. And you also have an option of the sectional, which is right here. And the sectional is, let's see, it's $7,200. The Audrey U-shaped sectional. These pillows are gorgeous. Woo! Oh my goodness. Beautiful.
And we can't move in, so we'll probably never come out from upstairs. So when your dad's gone, I guess.
goes to the sectionals too. This is one of the most commonly asked questions. Yes, you can change them up. In other words, we make a right and a left change. Make a right.
See, I gotta bring my husband in
cuddler.
here.
So we have a
Ooh.
right and a left cuddler.
Okay, guys, here's a better look at this sectional here. This ottoman is $1,300. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is called, what is it? Harmony Leather Storage Ottoman. Oh, yes, we love storage, right? Well made. I can't even pick it up. This beautiful accent chair here, it is $1,400. And it is a swivel chair. Beautiful pillows. Woo. Oh, yeah. How gorgeous is that picture? Oh, my goodness. I need to go closer to it. That is so pretty. Woo! This picture is $700. It is a 36 by 53. And it is gorgeous. Okay, so starting with this beautiful sofa. It is the Shiloh sofa for $1,700. Beautiful pillows on this one. And this accent chair is $1,200. It is a swivel chair. Okay. I love a swivel chair. And beautiful pillows that matches that dress and that chair. Now this chair is $1,200. Yeah. This is a beautiful setup here. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful rugs. This one is a 5x8 Vapor 5x8 area rug, and let me tell you, it is soft as butter. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've ever felt an area rug. I don't think I've ever felt an area rug this soft, guys, in life. And I'm not exaggerating. It is $400. And I would pay that for this. Okay, this one is a 5x7 and 6 inches for $188. It was $400. And it's this one here. Okay. This 5x8 is $370. Comes in all of these beautiful colors. Yes. Ooh, so many area rugs, guys. Look at this beautiful leather sofa and chair that we're walking in on, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. One of the most beautiful pieces I've ever seen. This chair is $2,000. It is called the Phoenix chair and a half. And let me tell you, it is huge. Oh, yes. And this sectional here, it is $7,000. It's the L-shaped sectional, and it is 4 pieces. Really nice. Ooh-wee. Great leather, guys. And look at this blue one. It is a 6-piece L-shaped sectional for $6,100. Another beautiful piece. It is so soft. It is buttery soft, guys. This one and that one. And this color is beautiful. It's like a taupe. Let's have the sofa, the accent chair, and I think this may be a recliner here. Yes, it is. This recliner is $1,600, and this sofa is $2,200, and this chair is $1,600. And they also have the ottoman for $500. Okay. And this set is by Hartford. Now look at that picture there. That's cute. Mr. Cow. Let's see. It's $800. Alrighty, guys, we're here looking at some dining room sets and bedroom sets. This beauty is the Olsen round table with 4 Justin chairs for $2,449. Okay. This beauty here is called the Rose dining table with 4 chairs and 2 armchairs for $4,000. Easy move on the chairs, and the end chair has the arms, and the other chairs, they do not have arms. But yes, guys, this is beautiful. Nice base on the table. Oh my goodness. Hey, this server is $2,000. Rhodes server. So it has the 3 drawers in the middle, a door on each side, here and over there. Okay, these lamps are nice too. Oh my goodness, the lamps are $280. Really nice. So this bed and this beautiful bench is so gorgeous, guys. And they also have the chest, the end tables, and the dresser. So this dresser, the dresser with the mirror is called Hyde Park Dresser and Mirror for $4,000. The nightstand is $1,500. The bed is $3,200. Ooh, that's beautiful. And the bed bench is $1,000. I love this comforter too. This is gorgeous. Yes, guys. So it has the headboard, the sideboard, and the footboard. This is called the Master Chest for $2,900. The velvet on the inside. What is it called? Oh, on the top. Okay. Nice. That mirror is gorgeous too. It is $300. It is the Ridgewood Queen upholstery bed for $1,000. The nightstands are $450. The chest is $900. This bed is $1,300. Really nice. You can use the chest, the nightstands, and the dressers with both of these beds. Okay, which is by Ridgewood. Yeah. These comforters are so nice. Woo! So luscious. A table with 4 side and 2 armchairs is $2,150. The leather bottom, or faux leather. And the sideboard here is $1,100. 2 drawers at the top, wide doors down here, and I can't say enough about it. Look at this mirror here, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Woo! It is $330. A beautiful setup here. So this is a bar console for $1,200. The lamps are $250. The pictures are $250. Yes, really pretty. Alrighty, friends, we have white furniture here. These are the white beautiful beds here. And this one looks like it could be a queen or a king. Stands for $450. This bed here does not have the storage. So have this dresser with the mirror for $1,500. And And that nightstand is $500. So this is the Coastal Retreat rectangle table with 4 chairs and with the bench. Ooh, that's a long bench, guys. It is $3,000. The server behind it is $1,100. It is the buffet server. Okay. Those mirrors are cute too. Ooh-wee. This is gorgeous, guys. Okay, so starting with this file cabinet, it is $1,300. Okay, different sections in that one, as well as this one. And this is the door bookcase for $1,800. This one has the lights at the top. Okay, so this one, guys, is the door bookcase. This is a separate one here. This one is the open bookcase for $1,700. Okay, so it's not one piece. These are 2 separate pieces. Door open. Okay, and here we have the desk with the hutch for $4,000. Really nice. Alrighty, executive desk for $3,100. Okay. Nice chair here. The chair is $900. Ooh, look at that side table. Is that a console? No, that's an office table as well. Okay, this is really pretty. This one is the lift top standing desk for $2,300. Okay. Another beauty here. Only at Havertys, guys. Oh, yes. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Havertys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Don't forget, guys, like the video if you like this store. I'll come back and do more videos here. So, yeah, thank you again, and I'll see you all in the next one.